July 11, 2006 is my new birthday.
That's the day Stephen Bruno waited 16 years for.
You're not living, you're surviving. And you're not sure of when it's going to come, or even if it's going to come.
It is a liver, and it finally came.
It's a brand new life. You almost instantly realize what you were missing for 16 years because you were slowly getting sicker.
What's happening inside this lab could put an end to the wait Stephen and thousands of others face each year. Researchers at the Institute for Regenerative Medicine at Wake Forest Baptist Medical Center are the first in the world to use human liver cells to create miniature livers.
And you can actually see the little liver that it's becoming a little more brownish at this point, which means that the cells are getting into the place.
Stem cells are grown on scaffolds, creating a tiny organ.
Right now we're able to make a liver of a size that can rescue a rat.
The size will need to be 100 times bigger to support a human, but researchers hope to have a liver ready for transplantation in the next 10 years.
For the first time, we might have a solution to bypass liver transplantation, which is a major health problem throughout the world.
And within a year, Harvard doctor Joseph Vicente will be transplanting ears grown on a scaffold onto a person. Dr. Vicente became known throughout the world in the 90s when he grew a human ear on the back of a mouse. Now he's using a person's own stem cells to do the very same thing.
Ideally, it would be indistinguishable from a normal ear.
But it doesn't stop there. Scientists at Cornell are developing artificial wombs in which embryos can grow outside of a woman's body. UK scientists have built an artificial stomach that mimics both the physical and chemical reactions taking place during digestion. In Cincinnati, scientists are testing bacteria-resistant skin cells that can sweat, tan, and fight off infection and ultimately generate real skin. Zebrafish are being studied at Duke. The way they can regenerate their fins could help scientists discover how to regenerate limbs for amputees.
They can regenerate a severed spinal cord, an amputated fin.
Within 2 weeks of amputation, zebrafish can regenerate all of their tail fin, color pattern included. These breakthroughs come just a decade after the genome was untangled, which led to this year's breakthrough. The first artificial cell was born in Craig Venter's laboratory, which raises the question, is the lifeline being crossed?
It does raise concerns that engineers are running amok in microbiology labs and that they are playing God.
But researchers stress they're not creating life, only modifying life by working with cells that are already living.
We can now envision that someday we can give somebody back their own face that's been either ravaged by cancer or destroyed by a terrible accident or injured in war.
Giving a second chance of life to millions of people who desperately need it.
People don't realize after being sick so long what it would be like being healthy.
Healing their own body with their own cells and science.
It would be unreal, actually, for them to actually think about that. It's something out of science fiction right now.
That soon may be reality. I'm Vanessa Welch reporting.